Introduction. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Welcome to day 24 of our Ramadan Masail series. One of the most sacred and powerful nights in Islam is Laylat al-Qadr, the night of decree. It is a night that holds immense rewards, mercy, and forgiveness from Allah. But what exactly is Laylat al-Qadr? How can we recognize its signs? Let's explore. What is Laylat al-Qadr? Laylat al-Qadr is the night when the Quran was first revealed to Prophet Muhammad. Allah describes this night in Surah Al-Qadr 97:3. The night of decree is better than 1,000 months. This means that worship on this night is equal to worshiping for more than 83 years. When is Laylat al-Qadr? It falls in the last 10 nights of Ramadan. It is most likely on one of the odd-numbered nights. 21st, 23rd, 25th, 27th, or 29th night. Many scholars believe the 27th night has the highest possibility, but the exact date is unknown. Signs of Laylat al-Qadr. The night is peaceful, serene, and calm. The sky is clear and the temperature is moderate. The moon may appear slightly dim. The next morning, the sun rises without strong rays. The heart feels at peace and full of Iman. Rewards of Laylat al-Qadr. Sins are forgiven. The Prophet said, "Whoever stands in prayer on Laylat al-Qadr with faith and seeking reward, all their past sins will be forgiven." Bukhari, Muslim. Angels descend with blessings and bring peace. The night is better than 1,000 months of worship. Du'as are accepted, and Allah grants immense mercy. What to do on Laylat al-Qadr? Pray tahajjud and extra nafil salah. Recite and reflect on the Quran. Make sincere dua, especially Allahumma innaka afuwun tuhibbul afwa fa'fu anni. Allahumma innaka afuwun tuhibbul afwa fa'fu anni. O Allah, you are the most forgiving, and you love to forgive, so forgive me. Seek forgiveness for past sins, give charity, and help those in need. Outro. Laylat al-Qadr is an unmatched blessing from Allah. We don't know if we'll get another Ramadan, so let's make the most of it by seeking forgiveness, making du'as, and strengthening our Iman. May Allah grant us the ability to witness Laylat al-Qadr and accept our prayers. Ameen. Like, share, and subscribe for more Ramadan knowledge.